this is my first attempt at doing bubble ponytails, and it definitely gave trust the process, but it came out well, so I might do it again. I washed and blow dried my hair. It's giving Foxy Cleopatra, okay? This part's pretty self-explanatory, so now I'm gonna tell you a story. One day I was at work, and this older black lady, she came up to me, and she was just like raving over my hair, talking about how beautiful it was and how she's so happy to see us doing fun styles. You know, just the youth are really doing it big, right? And I just thanked her because that was exactly what I was going for. I feel like we always stick with stuff that's safe, you know, hairstyles that everybody else is doing, and then we don't do things that we actually want to do because we're scared of what others will think. But I love these bubble ponytails, and this fits perfectly in my message to just be yourself unapologetically. Do what you like doing. Now for the actual bubble ponytails, I like to fan out the ends, and then I put it underneath my bun, like the ends, and then I flip it over like this. Now I would have done 2 of those, like one on the top, one on the bottom, but I didn't have enough hair, okay? We was on a budget and I bought what I could buy, but it still worked out, okay? As y'all can see right now, I'm just fluffing it out, trying to make the circles as equal as possible on both sides, and you know, trial and error, just keep doing it. This is when I started cutting the ponytails just so there wouldn't be so much hair hanging out. However, I will say definitely did not mean to cut it that short, but it kind of worked out though. Like the style's already pretty unique, but I feel like this is an even better twist to it. You know what I'm saying? Revisiting what I said before, everything about this process was giving very much trust the process, okay? First, I wanted to do 2 ponytails, ended up having to do 4 because my hair's too thick. As y'all can see, I put the twist, like the beads, way too low. It just looked weird with how much I cut it. So as you see, I'm fixing it now. I'm making it shorter. And yeah, you know, sometimes doing your hair, it doesn't come out the way you envision at first. So you pivot and do something else and you fix it to make it what you want to wear. And as y'all can see, I love it very much. And I'll see y'all with the next hairstyle.